Now we start next section of the vectors, chapter vectors is scalar product of vectors. There are two types of product. First is scalar product and second is vector product. Actually, how to develop the definition of scalar product is not the necessary part of the syllabus. So we mainly concentrate on problems on this topic. These are very important problems be there. Now the definition, scalar product already. What is the definition of scalar product? If vector A and vector B are two non-zero vectors, the same co-initial point, vector A and vector B are two non-zero vectors. So vector A and vector B, and product is defined using a same initial point, that is they are co-initial vector ആണ് definition possible ആവുള്ളൂ. Vector A and vector B are two non-zero vectors. Then the scalar product of vector A and vector B is defined as vector A dot vector B is equal to modulus of vector A into modulus of vector B into cos of the angle between them, where theta is the angle between vector and vector B. Vector A and vector B are two non-zero vector, then the scalar product of vector A and vector B is defined as vector A dot B is equal to modulus of vector A into modulus of vector B into cos theta. That is vector A dot vector B is equal to AB cos theta. Because you take a modulus value, if find the modulus value of a vector, then we get a scalar quantity. That scalar representation is A and B. There is no vector value. Scalar product is another name of the scalar product is dot product. That is A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. That's the definition. There are some properties based on scalar product. These are very important. First is dot product is commutative. That means A dot B in the value and B dot A are equal. A dot B and B dot A are equal. Now scalar product A dot B is equal to B dot A. Because you know when A dot B is equal to AB cos theta, then AB cos theta is also write the form BA cos theta. BA cos theta and AB cos theta are same. So A dot B is equal to B dot A. Second property is, if vector A and vector B are perpendicular, vector A and vector B are perpendicular, then there makes an angle 90 degree. And therefore A dot B is equal to AB into A dot B is equal to AB into cos 90. The value of cos 90 is 0 and therefore the answer becomes 0. That is A dot B is equal to 0. If vector A and vector B are perpendicular, then A dot B is equal to 0. If vector A and vector B are right angles to each other, then A dot B is equal to 0. Also if vector A and vector B are orthogonal, vector A and vector B are orthogonal, then we use the same condition A dot B is equal to 0. If vector A and vector B are perpendicular, right angles and orthogonal, in these three cases A dot B is equal to 0. Okay. Next is how to find the angle between vector A and vector B. You know A dot B is equal to AB cos theta, and therefore cos theta is equal to A dot B divided by AB. AB means mod A into mod B. Angle between these two vector and vector B, cos theta is equal to, using formula, A dot B divided by mod A into mod B. Angle between vector and vector B, A dot B divided by mod A into mod B. Cos theta is equal to A dot B divided by mod A into mod B. Now the fourth property is projection of vector A on vector B. Projection of vector A on vector B. Suppose is a vector B and is vector A. The projection become here is. Here what is the projection of vector A on vector B? projection of vector A on vector B. Projection is also very important result. Projection of vector A on vector B. A projection on vector B is equal to, here use formula A dot B divided by mod B on any vector. That vector is on the denominator. Suppose the projection of B on A, then answer is A dot B divided by mod A. Here the projection of vector A on vector B. Projection of vector B on vector A, then the formula become A dot B divided by mod A, projection of B on A, and the projection of A on B, answer is A dot B divided by mod B. Now I comma j comma k, I comma j comma k are three unit vector along x comma y comma z axis. Already you know I, j and k. These are called unit vector triads. What is I dot I, j dot j, and what is k dot k? I dot I means using vector A equal to, suppose you take a vector A equal to I and B is equal to I, then I dot I means mod I into cos of the angle between I and I is 0. Cos 0, that is answer is 1. I dot I equal to j dot j equal to k dot k equal to 0, and if they are different unit vector, then I dot j equal to j dot k is equal to I dot k is equal to, they makes an angle 90 degree and therefore cos 90 is 0, and therefore answer becomes 0. If they are different unit vector, then dot product becomes 0. It's also very important result. Now we define two vector. Vector A is equal to A1i plus A2j plus A3k, and vector B is equal to B1i plus B2j plus B3k. Now we define A dot B. Actually A dot B is found using this result because here theta is necessary. In this case directly we find the dot product of the vector. Vector A dot B is equal to A1i plus A2j plus A3k dot B1i plus B2j plus B3k, and you know that I is equal to 1, and therefore you get A1 B1 plus I dot j and I dot k are 0. Similarly j dot j equal to 1, you get A2 B2 and last A3 B3. That's all. That is the formula for finding dot product of two vector A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. These are our main points regarding scalar product. There is two more more results are there, but we want only these are the main points. Now discuss some problem based on this result. Our first question: find the angle between vector A is equal to I minus 2j plus 3k, and vector B is equal to 3i minus 2j plus k. Find the angle between. You know the formula is cos theta is equal to vector A dot vector B divided by mod A into mod B is equal to, that is I minus 2j plus 3k dot 3i minus 2j plus k, the whole divided by, you already know how to find the modulus value of this vector, I coefficient square plus 4 plus 9 into square root of 9 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to, when A1i plus A2j plus A3k dot B1i plus B2j plus B3k, we get answer A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. In that formula we get answer. Dot product become I coefficient product, that is 1 into 3 plus j coefficient product minus 2 into minus 2, that is plus 4, then 3k into 1k, that is 3 into 1 3, divided by root 14 into root 14 is equal to 3 plus 4 7 plus 3 10, divided by root 14 14, and therefore theta is equal to, right answer, cos inverse of 5 divided by 7, 2 to cancel, we get answer cos inverse 5 by 7. If you want to find the cosine angle of these two vectors, then you write cos theta equal to 10 by 14. Otherwise, if we write theta, we find the angle between the given vector, then theta is equal to cos inverse of 5 by 7. Okay, that's all. Next question. Find lambda. Find lambda. If vector A is equal to 2i plus lambda j plus k, 2i plus lambda j plus k, and vector B is equal to I minus 2j plus 3k. Sorry, I minus vector B is equal to I minus 2j plus 3k are perpendicular, then what is the value of lambda? It's a very simple question. Actually, you know, when two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product becomes 0. That is here given A dot B is equal to 0. That is 2i plus lambda j plus k dot I minus 2j plus 3k is equal to 0. You know, a1, a2, that is 2 into 1, 2, I coefficient product, j coefficient product, lambda into minus 2, that is minus 2 lambda, then 1 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. That is 5 minus 2 lambda is equal to 0, and therefore minus 2 lambda is equal to minus 5. Lambda is equal to minus 5 by minus 2, that is 5 by 2. We get answer lambda. Okay, that's all. It's a very simple question. Now the third question. Vector A is equal to 5i minus j minus 3k. 5i minus j minus 3k. Vector B is equal to I plus 3j minus 5k. I plus 3j minus 5k. Show that a plus b and a minus b are orthogonal. Orthogonal means their dot product becomes 0. We have to prove that a plus b dot a minus b is equal to 0. First of all, we find a plus b, that is 5i plus I, 6i, minus j plus 3j plus 2j, minus 3k plus minus 5k, that is minus 8k. Then a minus b, 5i minus I, 4i, minus j minus 3j minus 4j, minus 3k minus 1 minus plus 5, 5 minus 3, that is 2k. Now we subtract, like term, corresponding term subtracted. And now we find a plus b dot a minus b is equal to 6i plus 2j minus 8k dot 4i minus 4j plus 2k is equal to 6 into 4, 24, 2 into minus 4 minus 8 minus 16 is equal to 0. And therefore, a plus b and a minus b are orthogonal. Orthogonal means their dot product become, we have to prove that this dot product of a plus b and a minus b equal to 0. We get answer, and therefore a plus b and a minus b are orthogonal. So, it's a very simple portions. Now, define the fourth question. Now we find the fourth question. If vector A is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 2k, vector A is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 2k. Vector B is equal to I plus 2j plus k, I plus 2j plus k. Find the projection of vector A on vector B. Our question is, find the projection of vector A on vector B. You already know projection of A on B formula is vector A dot vector B divided by on any vector, that is mod B, is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 2k dot, here B corresponding to vector is I plus 2j plus k. the whole divided by square root of the modulus value, that is 1 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to, now you find the dot product, 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 2 plus 6, 2 into 1 again 2, the whole divided by root 6 equal to 10 by root 6. That's all. Okay, it's also very important question. Projection is also a 2-mark section question. Projection. Projection is very important question. Last year in the basic question. So try to practice more problems based on this type. Now the 5th question is also an NCERT based question. If A is a unit vector, vector A is a unit vector, if vector A is any unit vector such that x plus A dot x minus A equal to 8, x plus A, vector x plus A dot x minus A is equal to 8. Find mod x. Vector A is a unit vector, that is modulus of vector A is 1. Find mod x. Okay, this is a very simple question. Here our given condition is x plus A dot x minus A is equal to 8. Actually here we apply dot product. We directly apply the identity. You already know A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. But square you take modulus value because it's a vector quantity. Vector directly square possible. Modulus at the square. But suppose vector A square 2i plus 3j plus 2k, the whole square is not possible. You find the square of this vector. First of all you find the modulus value, then it's find the square value. So directly we apply the identity. You know A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Similarly, using the identity we write this vector quantity as mod S square minus mod A square is equal to 8. Here already given mod A is 1 because A is a unit vector, and therefore mod S square minus 1 is equal to 8, and therefore mod S square is equal to 8 plus 1, answer is 9. Mod x is equal to, answer is 3. That's all. It's a very simple question. Okay. Now find the modulus of A minus B. If mod A is equal to 2, mod B is equal to 5, and A dot B is equal to 8. Find the modulus of A minus B. Modulus of A minus B. Direct value of mod A minus B is here not possible. So first of all you find square of A minus B. Here we use identity. What is A minus B all square? A square plus B square minus 2AB. Here when you take the square value you find the modulus value, that is A square, that is mod A square plus mod B square minus 2AB. Here A, B corresponding to A dot B. 2 into A dot B because it's a vector. So product of other dot product apply. That is equal to, you know, mod A is 2, 2 square is 4. Mod B is 5, square value is 25. Minus 2 into A dot B is 8. That is equal to 4 plus 25 minus 16. That is equal to 29 minus 16 is equal to 13. And therefore mod A minus B is equal to root of 13. Direct mod A minus B is possible. So you take a square, then we get apply identity. Identity apply some modulus square either vector quantity. Mod A square plus mod B square minus 2AB. Just AB, not write it AB, A dot B. Just AB is A and B are scalar quantity. So write A dot B. Then we apply the given values. You get answer. Okay. Now next question. If A plus B is equal to A minus B, then show that vector A and vector B are perpendicular. Here given modulus of A plus B is equal to modulus of A minus B. show that vector A and vector B are perpendicular. That means we have to prove that A dot B equals 0. It's very simple. Direct ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് direct A dot B equals 0 prove ചെയ്യാൻ possible അല്ല. So first of all use squaring on both sides, and therefore A plus B whole square is equal to A minus B square. Then we apply identity. Identity applying by we get answer mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 into not A into B, A dot B. Similarly on right side mod A square plus mod B square minus 2 into A dot B. Here mod A square, mod A square, mod B square, mod B square as scalar quantities cancel. Then you take left side to minus 2ab on the left side, we get answer 2ab plus 2ab, we get answer 4a dot b is equal to 0, and therefore we get answer a dot b is equal to 0 divided by 4, answer becomes 0. Therefore vector A and vector B are perpendicular to each other. That's all. Okay, now discuss one more question using applying the concept of scalar product. If theta is the angle between the two unit vector A and vector B, that is given vector A and vector B are two unit vector, that is mod A and mod B is equal to 1, then prove that cos theta by 2 is equal to half into modulus of A plus B. If theta is the angle between vector A and vector B, angle between two unit vector A and vector B, then show that cos theta by 2 equal to half into modulus of A plus B. Here you take mod A plus B. First of all you take square of mod A plus B. Direct A plus B values use cos theta by 2 കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ possible അല്ല. First of all you find mod A plus B the whole square. Squaring at a simple method, and you take a squaring, we get answer mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 into A dot B is equal to, you know, mod A is 1, mod B is also 1, plus 2 into, you know, A dot B definition, mod A into mod B into angle between them is cos theta. That is modulus of A plus B square is equal to 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 into mod A is 1, mod B is 1 into cos theta. That is equal to, when you take 2 as common, we get answer 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 into, you know, 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta, trigonometry, in trigonometry land 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta, and therefore 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 is equal to modulus of A plus B square is equal to 4 cos square theta by 2. Taking square root, we get answer A plus B is equal to 2 cos theta by 2. On cross multiplying 2, we get answer half into modulus of A plus B is equal to cos theta by 2. That's all. These are all very important type questions. Okay. Now we discuss some special problems based on the scalar product. This is also very important question. Next question is question number 9. Here our question is mod A is equal to 3, modulus of A is equal to 3, modulus of B is equal to 4, and modulus of C is equal to 5. Mod A is equal to 3, modulus of B is equal to 4, and mod C is equal to 5. And each vector is perpendicular to sum of the other two. That is, A is perpendicular to sum of the other two means A dot B plus C is equal to 0, B dot C plus A is equal to 0, and also C dot A plus B is equal to 0. That means A dot B plus A dot C equal to 0. A dot B plus A dot C is equal to 0. B dot C plus B dot A is equal to 0. And last C dot A plus C dot B is equal to 0. Okay, from the given condition we get a dot b plus a dot c equal to 0, b dot c plus b dot a equal to 0, and c dot a plus a dot b equal to 0. Okay, that's all. Each one of them being perpendicular to sum of the other two. Find modulus a plus b plus c. Find modulus of a plus b plus c. This type of questions വരുമ്പോൾ you take a squaring on both sides. That's a good idea. First of all, we squaring on both sides. You know a plus b plus c the whole square formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b plus b into c plus c into a. ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് മോഡുലസ് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ a plus b plus whole square is a square plus b square plus c square, that is mod a square plus mod b square plus mod c square plus 2 into a into b correspond to a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. A plus b plus the whole square equal to mod a square plus mod b square plus mod c square plus 2 into a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. Here given on each one of them being perpendicular to sum of the other two, using the condition we get a dot b plus a dot c equal to 0, b dot c plus c dot a equal to 0, c dot a plus a dot b, c dot b equal to 0. Adding these three equations we get answer. A dot b and b dot a are equal because dot product is commutative. B dot a is also equal to a dot b, that is a dot b plus a dot t be 2 into a dot b plus b dot c and c dot b are also equal. Adding this 2 into b dot c plus 2 into c dot a, 2 into c dot a is equal to 0. That is 2 into a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to, we get answer 0. Okay, using the condition each one of them being perpendicular to sum of the other two, using the condition we get answer 2 into a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to 0. Okay, you see here already you know mod a is 3 and square value is 9, mod b is 4, square value is 16, and mod c is 5, square value is 25, plus 2 into a dot b plus b dot c equal to 0 is 0, is equal to 25 plus 25 is 50. That is modulus of a plus b plus c square is equal to, we get answer 50, and therefore its root value mod a plus b plus c is equal to root of 50 is equal to 25 into 2, that is 5 root 2. That's all. Okay. Actually, type of questions a given condition given condition ആണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ ഒരു ടെസ്റ്റ് കൊണ്ടുവരുന്നത്. കാരണം ഇവിടെ given condition each one of them being perpendicular to sum of the other two, ആ കണ്ടീഷനിലൂടെയാണ് നമുക്ക് ഈ ആൻസറിലോട്ട് കൊണ്ടെത്തിക്കാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞത്. Write one more question. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, a plus b plus c is equal to 0, evaluate a dot b, evaluate a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. Using the condition mod a is equal to 1, mod a is equal to 1, mod b is equal to 4, and mod c is equal to 2, similar to the last type question. First of all, you take a squaring on both sides, we get answer modulus of a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to 0, square is also 0. Then apply the identity, you get answer mod a square plus mod b square plus mod c square plus 2 into a dot b plus not a into b is a dot product b dot c plus c dot a is equal to, right side is also 0. You know mod a is given 1, 1 square is 1, plus mod b is 4, 4 square is 16, plus mod c is 2, 2 square is 4, plus 2 into a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to 0, and therefore 2 into a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to 16 plus 4 is 20 minus 21, and therefore finally we get answer a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to minus 21 divided by 2. That's all. It's a very simple question. First of all, you try to understand the concept, then easily we find the values. Okay, I will discuss one more question. Okay, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, vector a plus vector b plus vector c is equal to 0. Mod a equal to 3, mod b is equal to 5, modulus of a is equal to 3, mod b is equal to 5, and mod c is equal to 7. Then find the angle between vector A and vector b. Find the angle between vector A and vector b. Here given condition is a plus b plus equal to 0. Given condition we find the angle between vector A and vector b means we set A and B angle A B left side set to C right side. Suppose we find the angle between B and C, then we set B plus C on the left side and A on the right side. Here we set A plus B on the left side, that is A plus B is equal to minus C. Then squaring on both sides, therefore a plus b mod a plus b square is equal to mod c square. Vector quantity modulus എടുത്ത് square ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. Mod c square, negative quantity positive ആവും. Then a plus b whole square identity, mod a square plus mod b square plus 2 into a dot b is equal to mod c square. Mod a is 3 and square value is 9, mod b is 5, square value is 25, plus 2 into a dot b is equal to mod c square is 49. That is 2 into a dot b is equal to 49 minus 25 plus 9 is 34. That is 2 into a dot b is equal to 9 minus 4 is 5, 15. Now we define a dot b. A dot b formula, mod a into mod b into cos of the angle between them is theta is equal to 15. Thus 2 into mod a is 3, mod b is 5 into cos theta is equal to 15, and therefore cos theta is equal to 15 divided by 2 into 15, that is cos theta is equal to, we get answer 1 by 2, and therefore theta is equal to, we get answer 60 degree, that is 60 degree is equal to pi by 3. Therefore the angle between vector A and vector B, we get answer pi by 3. Okay. Now we discuss some more questions on homework assignment. That's all. Bye.